Hello all, I am Shiras. I have completed my BCA with Amrita, and it has been a very nice experience throughout the 3 years that I spent with this renowned organization. And I believe this would be a valuable testimonial that has been asked to me, and I'm glad to give a thorough information about what I have gone through. Basically, I am from Trivandrum, and I'm working in Saudi Arabia. So, in order to pursue a graduation, it was my aspiration for the past more than like 5-6 years. And since I have a background of electronics, I've done a diploma. So this was my next milestone to achieve. And rather, I should say in this way that Amrita has given me immense support to get to the tech world. As you all know that now we are in the age of AI, and 3 years before it was just a beginning, and something was about to happen after the COVID. So getting an online degree, it was a quite skeptical decision, but still I went with it, and now I don't have any regrets. And I'm quite confident that the technological advancement overall that has happened, it has all been observed and absorbed by Amrita onto a student like me. And I am really glad to say that the entire batch who has gone through this curriculum would never regret to have such a beautiful experience in the education. And regarding the faculties, I'm glad to inform that the coordinators, especially Pannaga ma'am, she has done an immensely great job to get to coordinate all those activities related to this online Amrita uh, course. So I would like to inform everybody that Amrita has got the edge to get into the new technologies, and even into pursue a bachelor or a master's. They have gone ahead with their unique curriculum, and whenever we see overall in the basis of the subjects or the coverage, I believe this has got the best and the best out of everything that you can get at an affordable fees. That should also be a part of it when I say that. So that's it all about. And the flexibility factors are relentless. I mean, being with a job and doing a course is something really hilarious, and faculty has done their best to support their students, including me. I have been with the team as a student, and during the online classes, and I mean the response and the Q&A sessions, plus the online learning modules that were offered to us are really awesome. And there is no need to even refer to textbooks. This was one of the excellent experience that I had, to refer back to many other materials outside which is available in order to gain more knowledge and to excel on exams. Regarding the work-life balance, as I mentioned, it was very hard, but the flexibility that was offered throughout this course gave me the opportunity to finish the course on time. And I believe the next option to go for an MBA or an MCA is obviously Amrita, and I can definitely recommend this to all of my friends, whoever would like to get a graduation in a top-notch university like Amrita. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity, and good luck.